So just as we predicted yesterday, I told you guys yesterday that all USD will give us a bearish move for the day. And that bearish move must come to hit our support level. And this is exactly what all USD did give us. It gave us that sell. So now you can see that our analysis is absolutely correct. So this is to tell you that about 90% of our prediction and 90% of our analysis is absolutely correct. So this is one of the reasons why to those that are yet to subscribe, if you are new and not yet subscribed, make sure you do want to click on the subscribe button, like and share, make your comments, and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel so that once we drop one or two updates, you will not miss out on any single update. You will find the link to the Telegram in the comment section. Now let's start with the trend on our AUDUSD. So we can see it right here. AUDUSD is what? The ranging market. We can see that AUDUSD is literally ranging, right? So at first market rallied up to tap our resistance, right? Then it eventually rejected from the resistance and tried to tap our support level. Now market eventually push up again to tap, came to close our resistance, which rejected, which can also align to be a resistance. Then it just to tap our support level. Market eventually rejected from the support level and came back to tap our resistance. Now it has now rejected from the resistance and dropped back to tap our support. So you all know what next will be, right? Of course, market needs to push up again to come back to tap our resistance level. So if you would like to hold your position for the next couple of weeks, you would want to be going for the buy. But for now, day traders, market might give us a little bit of a drop though. Just in case, be very careful going for the buy right now. Only going for the buy once you said get the buy set up. Remember, only going for the buy once you get the buy set up. Once you get the buy set up, you can go for the buy. But if you do not, it will be best to start on this trade. Above all, more updates on this will be covered for you guys. So if you do not want to miss out on any single update, all you just need to do is click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments, follow the Telegram channel, and click on the bell notification so that once you drop one or two updates, you'll be notified. You will find the link to Telegram channel also in the comment section.